Hello everyone. Welcome to Nexa Fix Tech. Want to install Kodi on your FireStick in 2026? In this quick guide, I'll show you the fastest and easiest method using the official Kodi website. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Downloader. From the FireStick home screen, go to Find, search for Downloader, and install the app developed by AFTV News. Step 2. Enable unknown apps. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, open About and press the Select button on your Fire TV device 7 times to unlock it. Then open Install Unknown Apps and enable Downloader. Step 3. Download Kodi. Open Downloader and enter kodi.tv/download. Select Android, then choose the version recommended for your FireStick device. For most FireStick models, that's the ARMv7A, 32-bit, build. Step 4. Install Kodi. When the installation screen appears, click Install. Once it's finished, select Done, then delete the APK file to save storage space. That's it, Kodi is now installed on your FireStick. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Nexa and turn on notifications for more FireStick, Kodi, streaming tutorials and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.